Hi, my name is Christine. I'm a primary school teacher and I'm the face behind the account at Arkilkenny Cottage. We have been living in our house for 2 years. This is the house my father was reared in. Him and his siblings lived here, so it means a lot to us to get to extend, and our family are now living here. Because our home is a cottage, we wanted to maintain a classic feel throughout the house. This was very important to me, so we have a lot of rustic kind of vibes going through the house. I always had an interest in interior design. From a very young age, I would buy magazines when I was out shopping with my mom and constantly be looking through them for ideas for when we eventually got to build our dream home. When we decided to renovate and extend this cottage, I spent an awful lot of time on Pinterest and on Instagram, and that's where I got the inspiration to begin my own Instagram account. This is our kitchen. It's the heart of our home. I put a lot of effort into designing this space, from looking at other Instagram accounts and Pinterest. I wanted to create a nice, warm, welcoming space for our family to spend all their times and to have lots of gatherings. Our window dressing that we chose is the Cottage herringbone dressing. I love the neutral colour, and I also love the quality of the fabric. I think it brings a warmth to the kitchen and it really suits this space. When I was planning each room, I created a mood board. I think this is very important to get an overall cohesive feel throughout the house. I kept it neutral. I think it's important to keep a home neutral, and then added pops of colour throughout the house with soft furnishings. For our utility, I chose the Material World fabrics in Zen Blue. I loved the vertical line with the blue stripe in it. I think it really adds to the room and it complements the paint colour. I just think these blinds really add a sort of elegance and they make the room stand out that bit more. I found the process working with Material World really good. I ordered the samples online from my home and I had them within a few days. I worked with Aisling and she was incredible. My best advice when dressing a window would definitely be to live in the house for a while before you pick your materials and decide on exactly what you want. I would also say to go for what you want, not to be swayed by Instagram or by Pinterest, but be true to your own style, because at the end of the day, it's you that is living in the house and you have to be happy with it. I would definitely recommend Material World. Their quality of their fabrics is absolutely next to none. It's unbelievable. I'm so happy with them. There's such a wide variety and I will definitely be using them again throughout our home.